So as you can see, my last name is just AI. So I'm born for this job, and I love this job. So so today, I want to share my passion, my experience in this domain, especially the human-machine interface domain with you guys. So before start, I just want to do a short survey. So how many people here are familiar with the notion human-machine interface? OK, so several. Good, great. So for those who are not, human-machine interface is also known as human-machine interaction, or HMI for short. So as a name, it's a way to study how human can interact with machine. OK, so to give some example, we can use like human gestures, human head pose, human even body pose to try to interact with smart devices, including like a mobile phone, laptops, AR, VR glasses. And so the objective is to do the interaction in a more natural and easier way than conventional user interface like a keyboard or mouse. Okay, so nowadays this human-machine interface is very essential for a lot of smart devices. But in the same time, there's a growing need in low-power edge deployment and also the protection of users' data privacy. So all these needs bring challenges to these applications. So in today's presentation, I want to show you how we address these challenges. Okay, so let's start. So we achieve low power yet robust, accurate human-machine interface application using AMS OSRAM ToF sensor and 7 sensing software's embedded AI technology. We will follow the presentation order of who we are, what we do, and how we do it.